Sanskar Dham is the platform where the students have facilities to develop their personality, character and values of life. Education and good character are the foundations for better society. Growing children are highly receptive and susceptible to the quality of education and culture. Good education and values of life can make them good citizens of the society. Main motto of Sanskar Dham is to provide them good education along with good culture. In this institution, optimum attention is paid to their physical, mental and social development. Children are innocent. Their mental screens are clear and spotless. Sanskar Dham writes poems of good culture on that screen. Let us enjoy those beautiful poems. Sanskar Dham is engaged in providing holistic education to their students. This education is provided by well-trained teachers and latest educational equipments. The child is exposed to multifaceted activities along with education. Hence, the child has ample chance to enhance his intellectual, emotional and social development. The nursery education method of Shishu Mandir is totally based on Indian nursery education method. Basic principles of nursery education are Indian vision of life and Indian culture. Entire method of the nursery education is child oriented. This method is informal, activity based and experience oriented. The syllabus is based on Indian life vision and child psychology. The teachers of Shishu Mandir are well trained in Indian life vision and child psychology. They take care of character building and developing skills of the children. Sanskar Dham is already providing such facilities to urban children. But there is need to provide such facilities to the children of small villages. With that noble objective in mind, 11 villages of Sanand Taluka are selected as Project Shishu Mandir. Teachers were selected from among the village volunteers and they were trained for running Shishu Mandir in their own villages. These teachers enroll children of the age 3 to 5 years for training. Sanskar Dham is providing all the facilities and equipment to run Shishu Mandir in small villages. This project has successfully completed 1 year, and more people are requesting Sanskar Dham to open such Shishu Mandir in their villages. In those villages where children used to grow without any education till the age of 6 years are now being trained from the age of 3. This project has received warm welcome from the parents, leaders and residents of the villages. Ultimate aim of the project is to make it self-run reality. Any individual can participate in this project the way he selects, by way of personal services or donating equipments for the children. Such connection to this project by the individual can give self-satisfaction of serving the society and needy individuals. Come and let me carve a beautiful idol out of this noble thought.
भगवती शिव शिव जी